Pumanaw na sa edad na 51 ang Grammy Award-winning R&B neo-soul singer na si D'Angelo. Ayon sa kanyang pamilya, nasawi ang singer sa mahaba nitong pakikipaglaban sa pancreatic cancer noong Martes. The shining star of our family has dimmed his light for us in this life. After a prolonged and courageous battle with cancer, we are heartbroken to announce that Michael D'Angelo Archer, known to his fans around the world as D'Angelo, has been called home, departing this life today, October 14, 2025. We are saddened that he can only live dear memories with his family, but we are eternally grateful for the legacy of extraordinarily moving music he leaves behind. Nagbigay naman ng tribute ang kapwa niya artist kabilang si Doja Cat na inilarawan si D'Angelo bilang a true voice of soul and inspiration to many brilliant artists of our generation and generations to come. Ilan sa mga hit songs ni D'Angelo ang Untitled, How Does It Feel, Lady, Brown Sugar, Devil's Pie, at The Charade.